scale video. This one is the G scale. The G scale is also known as C concert. It's one step over on the circle of fifths, so there is only one sharp, F sharp in the G scale. If you want to know the easiest way to learn your scales, I have a video for that. Check out the link above or below. So the G scale is just G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. That's it. Here's how it goes. So there you have it. There's your G scale. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at J2Horn. Also subscribe so you can get the next video. Now get out there and go practice.